you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Hi everyone, thank you so much for being here today. Welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today I want to bring you my Disney 3D Perler family. So here are some of the Disney characters I made. They're my favorite. So Disneyland is my favorite, Disney World is my favorite, and we try to go like, you know, as often as possible. My favorite is to go to Disney World because it's so much fun. There are 4 parts and then they have everything you want to see and you can meet all the characters. But because of the pandemic, you know, we weren't able to go this year, so I miss them so much. But I'm so happy that I was able to make each one of them and just, you know, have them in my house and hang out with them all the time. So I'm so excited to show you each one of them today. Before we start, if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you get all the alert for all the new videos like this. And if you're already my subscriber, thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited that you're here and always supporting my channel. But also I want to tell you that today we're gonna have the tutorial for this Mickey Mouse. Look at him, super cute. This one I found on Pinterest and I noticed that this one is super cute, and then not a lot of people made it, but you know, this one is actually very easy to make and it only took me 1.5 hours. So I'm gonna show you how to make this one if you haven't seen it before. Before that, so we're just gonna go look into each one of them. Alright, let's get started. So first, let's go over this collection. So this collection has these 4 characters. So if you have been following my IG posts, you should have seen them. I took them everywhere. I took them to, you know, the Grand Park. I took them to the Disney Hall, the Music Center. I even took them to like different places to take pictures and video, little Tokyo. I feel like, you know, they're just so cute everywhere. I feel like they so I just took them to everywhere, and I made these 2 their family member as well, and then they're super cute. They're like the whole set. Yeah, each of these actually took about like at least 3 hours. Every time I'm like, I'm gonna do it faster, but no, it's always 3 hours or a little bit more because sometimes I mess up on the pieces. And if you ask me if I use any glue, sometimes I will have to, because like for Goofy, you can see these things right here. They were not very you know, stable. They doesn't really fit, so I have to use hot glue. But after that, it looks actually really perfect. And like their nose part, oh, this one actually came off the piece. So even I use a hot glue, still it's really hard to stable, so I have to always check on them to see if they have any missing part. But so far I love this collection. Look at how cute they are. Turn around. Yeah. And then the little tail is super cute. If you ask me how to make the tail like this, you have to iron the beads, and then when it's hot you kind of bend it and then hold it in this position for about like maybe like a minute, and then it will stay this way. You can see that. Super cute, right? All right, let's come into my favorite character. All right, the Snowballs. Captain Snowball. Look at how cute. This one actually took me an entire day to make this one. Well, part of it is because I ran out the bead on this one. This is called the Neo Blue. So I don't really have a bag. I don't see where you can buy a single $1,000 bead of this. So it came in from those you know, a collection with different colors. And then you get 250 in that, you know, bead in that color. And I never used this color before, so I collect a lot of these. And then good thing, because I collect a lot of these, I was able to did the half part, and then the second part I have to go out to Michael's to get the second part again. So that's the sad thing, but this one's totally worth it. You can see it's so much bigger comparing to the other ones. Yeah, but this is my favorite. The hardest part is to do this one because when I iron it, you have to do this when it's really hot. So I have to bend it when it's really hot. I was almost burning my hand, but totally worth it because he's super cute, and I can tell you he's really heavy. All right, let me move the light around because it looks really yellow. Okay, that looks better. So now him, oh, look at him. If he has a strawberry scent, I would just hug him all day long. He's so cute and so pinkish. He's super cute. Look at him. Even though in Toy Story he's not the good guy, but you know, he has a good heart. Indeed, you know, he just wants to be loved. So he's one of my favorite. All right. Oh, why did you fall down, Donald Duck? Okay, so this one is from one of the Pinterest that I found. I didn't really build it in the beginning because I wasn't sure if he looks cute, but I saw a picture. I was like, oh my god, this one I have to build it. So I did, and it came out really nice. The only part is the bottom. It doesn't really stand that well, so it's kind of a little wobbly. And then it sorry. So if I add something in the back, it's kind of able to stand just for a little bit, but I would like to fix it if I can. And I always try to avoid using hot glue because I'm not really good at it again. So these are still a little bit off, but they're okay. See, I'll just add something so it can stand for a little bit longer. Okay, so now coming to this Mickey. Isn't he adorable? Maybe he looks a little bit different from this Mickey. I mean, they're all cute. They just look different. You know, even at Disney World, Disneyland, we see different types of Mickey from different ages. And maybe this one is the cutie one that we always see. And then this one, I just love how he looks. Turn around. And I love using like the regular bead because I feel like, you know, I love the size, and then this size is really good for like videos and pictures, and when I carrying out, it just looks really cute. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this one. enjoy the tutorial and will make one for yourself pretty soon. And if you do, tag me back on IG so I can see what you make. And this is really easy to make, and I hope you will make one for yourself or your loved one, your family, anyone that you like. This is a great gift, you know, maybe for Valentine's Day. And I hope you enjoy my Disney 3D Perler family, because they're super cute. And follow me on IG so you can see more creation. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and then comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.